Good Thursday morning, Tiger Nation. It's August the 27th. This is day 3 of our remote learning. Today's Tiger Talk will just be a real quick update with everything's going on here at the high school. Just checking in on everybody and just going over some of the things, issues or things we could look at improving on our remote learning program. So again, day 3 of remote learning. Just be sure you are checking your Google Classrooms. Most students will have 7 Google Classrooms to check each day. There will be something for you to do each day. The task could involve a wide variety of things, from listening to a lecture, reading, doing homework assignment, or writing an essay, just anything of those sorts. Be sure you are checking each Google Classroom for each one of your classes every day. Also, be sure you check your email. Email is a great way of staying in touch with all of your teachers. All your teachers are available each day from 8 o'clock to 11 o'clock and 12 o'clock to 3 o'clock. And they are also available online 1 hour each day via Google Meet. And you can go to our website, go to the faculty and staff page, and you will be able to click on their link and see when their office hours are. It'll also have a link to their Google Meet on the website, so you can do that. So be sure you check your email and also check our website to see when your teachers are available and here to help you. Again, there will be work every day, so I'm asking you to work every day. We are not live. Everything is recorded, so this does not mean that you have to wake up at 8 o'clock in the morning and be ready for that 8 or 7:58. Wake up at 7:58, be ready for that 8 o'clock class. But you do need to get up and get going each day and do some of your work. Some of the days could take you as short as an hour to do your work, and some days it could require you up to 2.5, 3 hours of work. So it's a wide variety of what will be asked each day, just kind of like here when you are here in school. Sometimes you have homework in some of your classes, some days you don't. So there is something for you to do every day. Also, just be mindful that these grades do count. So we've had some students have asked about if these grades count. So yes, they do count. They will be part of your first grade period. So the grading period will end after this first, it'll take 6 weeks to be our first grading period, and that will end on October the 2nd, right before fall break. So these days are important. So be sure you take care of work, and because those grades will count. Also, there will be an assignment coming out today or tomorrow through math classes for a bus evacuation video. That is a requirement from the Kentucky Department of Education and Transportation. So be sure that you watch that video and check off that you have watched it. Again, we are communicating daily. I will have a Tiger Talk every morning and post it out via Send It, Facebook, Twitter, and on our website. Be sure you check those links there to see any news that's happening here at the high school. Would like to recognize Tyler Young. Tyler was the Reserve Grand Champion at the State Fair yesterday, so congratulations, Tyler. And just another little note that's not on my news and events here, but be sure you do follow us still about some athletics. I know sports talk is KCAA has improved, and Governor Beshear has said that he will not interfere with the decision of KCAA. So the sports, as of right now, are moving forward. There is a decision today, or a meeting tomorrow, with the Kentucky Department of Education to talk about sports. So be sure that you listen to us about all sports. But right now, our practices are going, and I will get an updated schedule for the practices and put those on the front page of our webpage so that everybody knows what those are. And that concludes this morning's Tiger Talk. Everyone work really hard, have a great day, and be a champion.